To redeem a Modern Warfare code, start by opening your browser and visiting the Call of Duty profile website. Log into your account using your email address and password. Then enter your code in the designated field. Next, select where you play Call of Duty Modern Warfare and choose your country of residence, which will determine the correct servers for the game. After tapping the Redeem Code button, you will receive a separate code to redeem through the Xbox or PlayStation stores. Alternatively, if you are redeeming a promotional code through the GeForce Experience, begin by installing and updating your graphics card to the latest version. Then, visit the login website, log in with your credentials, and navigate to the account drop-down menu to click Redeem. Enter your code and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully redeem your Modern Warfare code.